okay.
What's in that case? Someone search it.
Yeah,
Do you need three
Where's
free
my
counsel, sir?
lawyer?
Over here. Do you need me?
Yes, I need you.
Okay.
what have you done?
Hold up, mate. Hold up 1 second.
Spat on
Oh yeah, you can search me.
all over
Okay.
me. That's what he did.
Yeah, you can. Can we come forward? So
Apparently this guy's done some bad stuff.
I don't know why.
Attempted murder police, engaged police pursuit, driving a license, assaulted police, and then I don't know what the last one is. Government damage of big pole car. I think it just means criminal damage.
Spat on you?
I do have a gun license, by the way.
Spat on that side.
Putrid human.
Sam.
Hello, sir.
Hey, can you
Why is he
uncuff
handcuffed?
me?
You can stay cuffed, so
No.
you hurt
Maybe you should mask him if he's gonna spit on people. What a feral.
Oh,
Just
shut
spit on her.
the fuck up.
Alright, my name is Junior Magistrate Woodman. I'm here today to hear the court case of Victoria Police versus
I need food.
Hoilgan Hefs, I think it is. It's a weird name.
Yep.
I don't tolerate any outbreaks or yelling within my courtroom. That means you shut up over their defence. Any breach of this rule will be met with contempt of court. Now we're going to get this show started. Prosecution, please step forward, identify yourself, your name, rank, charges you're bringing forth, and what evidence, etc.
G'day, Your Honour. My name is First Constable Elvis Martinez of Victoria Police. The defendant, Mr. Hoilgan Hefs, I'm pretty sure that's how you pronounce his name,
Yeah, that's how you
is looking at the charges of attempted murder of police, assaulting a police officer, engaging in a police pursuit, damage to government property. That 4. I lost count.
Oh, that was 4. So damage of government property. Do you mean criminal damage?
Yeah, criminal damage. Sorry. Yeah.
Oh, right.
And the fifth charge, I would like to change out for make threats to kill.
Make threats to kill. Okay, not a problem, not a problem. Alright, and what evidence or witnesses do you have for me today?
I currently have 2 witnesses who are at the incidences. One being Mr. Aaron Sorry, Mrs. Aaron. It's Aaron, right?
Spit it out.
Are you sure?
Yeah, sweet. Yeah. So Miss Aaron over there and Miss Samantha Cody.
I see. Why is the defense running around over there?
Can I talk?
No. Sit down. Be quiet.
Okay, Judge. Sorry, Judge.
At this time, we are looking for maximum sentences due to the hostile and volatile nature of the defense.
Okay.
How has he got a bit of a history? I just want to know that information now.
His history. Yeah, I'll just pull that up again for you. I did so. I just.
Can you eat it or do you need a handcuff?
The individual has had history of engaging in police pursuits and assaulting police officers before.
I see, I see. Alright, not a problem. Alright, take a seat. Thank you, prosecution. Defense. This is now your...
To speak if you'd like me.
If you do have the charges read out.
Yeah.
We'll also...
Sorry, Judge. My client is about to pass.
Has he not been offered food and water?
I did. I have given him.
I just gave him food and water, but he can't eat it while he's cuffed.
Petty contempt of that man in the blue. I want him out of here, please. Out of this courtroom.
Do not do anything stupid, okay? Alright.
Alright, that's all sorted. Defense. Please
Okay.
identify yourself. And if you wish
Hello,
for me
I
to
am
read out the
Rashish
charges
Pandey.
for you.
I am Rashish Jafar Rama, and I am a lawyer in training. Nice to meet you.
I see. It's very
my
nice to meet
defendant-
you too.
Thank you, thank you. My client, Hoilgan Hefs, is... honestly, we have no defense.
You have no defense. So are you going to be
we're
pleading
gonna-
guilty to all charges?
Yes, we're going to be pleading guilty to all
No,
charges.
I got...
You may
To confer with your client.
You may need to confer with your client, sir.
Do you want to fight this? Dude, you're going to get way more weeks. You're not going to win this. They got 2 fucking witnesses. You got nobody.
No, listen though. They had my bike and they said, is that your brother's bike? And they drove over it, okay? And they drove over my brother's bike who he died on, okay? That is wrecking my brother's bike. I don't even know if I'm going to see that anymore.
Yeah, but you still killed them.
do you mean? Can we talk in private? Can we talk in private?
You probably shouldn't speak so loud.
Considering I can hear it. Ah, it's golden.
Listen, right?
So what's going on here?
Your Honor, can we have a recess break so the defense can talk to their client?
Can we
I
please have
think-
a recess break? My
I
client.
think that might be
decided to
a
speak.
good idea. Let's give it 2 minutes recess.
Thank you. Okay. Come over here. Do not run.
Okay. Where do I go?
Come on. Where can we go?
As the individual has been hostile, he will remain in cuffs during the.
That is okay. That is okay.
You can use the jury room to my right over there.
Okay. Thank you.
Don't worry, you're just stuck.
Can
Thank you, my friend.
You're good to go with your
Come on.
lawyer.
All right. Okay.
Yeah, but I can't get rid of the bat.
Come here real quick, man. This is the thing. I came home from my work. My brother just died in like 2 days, and I jumped off it.
Here we go.
Hello.
Hey, how's it going?
Can you hear me
Hello.
clearly?
Very.
Very odd.
I can. Yeah, he beat on me while we were in the car too. Your voice sounds
You
like
look a bit woozy. Are you alright?
Yeah, he punched me. He tried to kill me, Your Honor.
Wait.
Oh,
I was
You have
assessed
your
by
time.
AV.
you'll have your time to declare your testimony.
Okay.
I did give the individual time to call his lawyer. This is just a lawyer that's just appeared out of nowhere for him, so I
This
sort of
one
feel
that's
bad for him.
dropped in. Oh, I see.
Yeah,
I
just
see.
drop.
Do you have any?
Mmm,
No, I
Do you need
don't.
it's
food?
not good.
Yeah.
At all.
Well, I mean, you got to start out somewhere. Definitely a trainee
Yeah.
lawyer.
Goes for.
Hope he's
That's
not paying for
better.
it.
You gotta start somewhere.
So just,
You do have to start somewhere. I hope he's not
while
paying
I
for it.
was
That's all I'm
down
saying.
there, He kind of
Mm.
admitted to me that he beat you guys up in the cells and while I was in the cells. So like,
Right, yes, this is very interesting. We're going to
yeah.
go take another seat up there. If you want
So if
to
you
go
were
grab
asking
them
me
out, I think that's enough time.
Hey,
Get the
Yeah,
show
so-
on the road.
Elvis. What's your
Let me
name
just
again?
sort that out. It's Elvis.
Elvis, make sure you when you call up her errand to the stage.
Yeah, we can talk about it in a
make sure-
second. Hold on.
I don't know what they're doing, but this is gonna be funny.
You're,
Oh. Well, at least this guy turned up.
you need to stop speaking so loud as well.
I'm whispering.
Not you, the other.
I know. Oh, can I be re-informed on what the charges were that he's facing, officer?
We can be informed that you can ask the judge.
Hello, Judge.
Hello, defense. Are you ready to
Okay.
proceed?
Yes. Okay. So, what were the things that he was getting arrested for? Sorry, I just need a
So,
recap. I've
I
only just came in.
believe we have attempted murder police, engaged in police pursuit, assault police,
Okay.
criminal damage, and there was an add-on. There's a charge replacement. The new one is make threats to kill.
Okay. So we're gonna plead not guilty. Not guilty for attempted murder, please.
Okay.
We're gonna plead guilty for threats to kill. We're gonna plead guilty for violence on the violent one. And then the assault on police, we're gonna go guilty on that one, just not the police murder, attempted police murder. Oh, and the destruction of government property, not guilty
Is
as
that
well.
not guilty on that one? Okay.
Yeah, the only one that we are not guilty is the obstruction of government property and attempted police murder. Is that okay?
That's perfectly fine. What testimony or evidence are you going to be bringing forth today?
I got one witness, which is the defendant. Other than
I
that,
see.
not really much, because I've only had 2 minutes to prepare.
Not a problem. All right.
Do you need these?
Judge, after this, do you think I'm allowed to talk about my this?
You are. That's why I mean you're my witness.
Yes, you need to instruct your client to
Yeah,
shut
sorry,
up.
sorry. He's a bit loud.
Oh, I see. I've noticed.
Okay,
So
yeah.
you've made your pleas. Do you need me to explain any rulings or any information here, or are you fine
No,
with
they're okay.
the law that's in front of you?
You're okay.
Okay, please take a seat.
Okay.
Another quick question: are you going to be requesting any kind of leniency today in regards to this?
Oh shit. Let me get back up. I like to stand. Yes, we're gonna be requesting leniency on the count that it's only usually don't really get prison time for the threats to kill. Usually that's just a fine,
Mm.
and we're pressing guilty to that anyway to add to the charges. And my client is now agreeing to be nice, not be a little cunt. So we would like to go for leniency.
I see. Okay, take a seat. Prosecution, please present your case. You have 8 minutes.
Thank you, Your Honor. Approximately around 8 p.m. tonight, the individual who is the defendant was. Thank you. It's really distracted me. The individual proceeded to engage in a police pursuit after a code 4, also known as a traffic stop, was incommenced with the individual. The individual proceeded to stack his motorbike, and due to the vehicle being a motorbike and the engaging in a police pursuit, the officers in the pursuit proceeded to run over the motorbike to make sure the individual could not reclaim the motorbike. The individual was then apprehended and then taken down to Melbourne 900. Upon apprehension of the individual proceeded to verbally assault one of my officers by calling her a rather very nasty word related to a female dog.
That's not nice.
Upon getting to Melbourne 900, the individual proceeded to assault police officers multiple times and trying to, and I quote, kill the officer. And due to this, we have put the assault charge and attempted murder charges on the individual. The individual did, in fact, injure one of my officers that I was with, Miss Samantha Cody, which required the AV paramedic to come down to the police station, which is Miss Aaron. The individual proceeded to also continue to kick officers, spit on officers, and just be a horrible person in general. At this point in time, I'd like to call upon one of my witnesses, Your Honor.
Proceed.
Could I get Samantha Cody to come to the stand?
All right, Miss Cody. Do you promise not to mislead the court under threat of perjury?
Yes.
Okay, please proceed, prosecution.
Okay, Miss Cody, were you involved in a pursuit with this individual?
Yes, I was. As I shouted at. Oh, sorry, you go.
No, continue.
Yes, I was. As I shouted at the window to the individual to pull the motorcycle to the side of the road, he pulled over. Then I had a chat to the individual, introduced myself, and I told him the reason for the stop was a license check and going a legal U-turn. As I tried to speak to the individual drove off in the motorcycle. After he drove off, we were engaged in a police pursuit. We pursued the motorcycle. The motorcycle had a motorbike accident. As the individual jumped off the motorcycle, ran, then I got out of the vehicle and tackled the individual to the ground. As we proceeded to Melbourne 900, I decided to ask the individual, would you like any water or food? As I was reading his portion. The individual said yes. I uncuffed the individual. After I uncuffed the individual, he punched me in the face and called me brutally names and nuts, and was spitting on my face, as well as I should say he weed on me while I was on the vehicle. He decided
Did you say we?
Yeah, he pissed on me while I was in the vehicle. That's when we were transporting him up. When we were also in a cell, he decided to punch me and then knock me out. I was knocked out for a split second. I got back up and beanbagged him to the ground after he was brutally assaulting Elvis. Then when we transported him here, that's when he obviously hit on me. He made threats to kill me. He said that once he gets out of prison, I am going to die or be murdered, I should say.
I'll see.
And so the individual did proceed to assault you verbally and with his bodily fluids, yes?
Yes, and verbally with his verbal
We've gone
words,
away
but
for a long
yes.
time.
Okay. That's all, Your Honor. I'd like to bring up my second witness.
Please stand down, Miss Cuddy.
Yeah, just give me a second. I'm just a bit injured.
That's alright. I can understand. I hope your injuries will heal soon. We need you on the
I hope
force.
so.
It's funny.
Alright, Miss Erin, do you promise not to
Oh,
mislead the
fuck this
court
court.
under threat of
Sit
perjury?
down, dickhead. Sit down.
I do, Your Honor.
I want to say one
Please
thing.
continue
Sit, yeah,
prosecution.
yeah,
I'll
sit
go
the fuck
guilty.
Right. Make this defense sit back in the dock.
Oh shit, move, Sam.
Get the fuck.
Sit the fuck down, dickhead. You're not helping your case. It's not even defense's turn yet. Sit down.
Alright, please
Okay.
proceed, prosecution.
No worries, Your Honor. Miss Aaron, you were called to a Melbourne 900, weren't you?
Yes, I just clocked on duty and Vic Bull radioed into our channel and requested assistance at Melbourne 900.
And upon arriving at Melbourne 900, can you describe what you entailed / witnessed?
Yeah, so originally on arrival at Melbourne 900, I was allowed access to the cells where I found the individual in the orange shirt had been injured. I treated his injuries. He had a bit of bruising. I just placed an ice pack on that for him. And then Samantha Cody came down to the cells. She was quite injured, had a extensive bruising to the face, I believe, as well as some concussion and ongoing injuries from those blows. I treated those injuries, and
They killed my brother.
yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh, I also treated yourself, I believe, for some bruising there as well.
And during your time at Melbourne 900, did you, by happen, hear the individual make threats to kill police officers while he was in the cells?
No. So I didn't hear any threats to kill per se. He did, albeit admit to attacking the other officers. That was about it.
No worries. I'm happy for my witness to stand down, Your Honor.
Alright, so thank you, Miss Hendricks. Please return to the galley.
Is it galley or gallery?
Due to these hostile natures of the individual, Victoria Police would like maximum sentencing for the individual. I rest Your Honor.
Alright, thank you, prosecution. Please take a seat. Defense, this is now your turn to come forth and present your testimony.
Hello, Judge?
Yes, hello.
Okay, so I have found, now that I've heard their whole side and this whole side, I have killed plenty of cops and I've defended a lot of criminals. I refuse to defend this person any further. He is a disgusting pig, and I now agree with them guys to push for max sentencing. This guy should be locked away and kept away from society. I don't feel like I should associate myself with him and tarnish my reputation. So I'd like to be asked to be excused from this case.
You are excused.
Thank you, defense.
I have more obligations. I can't help him.
I see.
So I can't even talk.
Yes, you are excused.
Thank you
defense
so much.
lawyer.
I really appreciate it. Bye.
You're welcome.
Hope you rot in jail.
Defense. Defense.
You told me you're gonna kill the cops later. Shut
Please
up.
come up and make
Yes, you
your
did. So
defense
am I. You
known
said you're gonna kill them cops.
if you
So
have
when are you gonna do
testimony.
it with their gun?
Defense, you can go up now. You can talk.
Alright.
Oh, I hope.
What I was gonna say, I was riding my bike, didn't have a license on me, was about to go get it. That's why I was heading riding, and that was my brother's bike, who actually passed away in a couple of days on that bike.
I see. So, in regards to attempted murder of police, what is your testimony in regards to that? How are you pleading yourself out of that particular charge?
What they said is I hit their car. Well, like, you know, I didn't hit their car. They scratched my bike. They pulled me over, and the one with the orange hair had a shotgun out. I got scared, started my bike, and ran. I'm just like, you know what I mean? I ain't trying to get killed, shot, nothing. So I ran down a drain. I accidentally hit a pole, came off the bike, and they drove straight on the bike. She tackled me off on the floor, arrested me, put in the car. The orange hair said, "Is that your brother's bike?" I said yes. He ran over it and started driving on top of it and destroying it even more and more. And then I went in the court, and they had like the things, and he had his gun out because I spat on him. I'm gonna admit that. He got his gun out. The lady said I'm gonna look away, and I thought I was gonna get killed. So that's one. I'm getting afraid I was gonna get killed. So that's one charge on them.
I've got some questions for you then. In regards to when they
initially pulled you over, was it a marked or unmarked vehicle?
Marked.
It was marked. Did they have lights and sirens, and were they turned on?
I don't think this. I could hear their sirens. I don't think they were on. They were just lights were on.
Just lights, okay. And when they approached, could you see that they were Victoria Police officers, appropriately dressed?
Yeah, I did. The lady came out first, came to me, said, I hit their government car. I never hit their car. I was on my side of the road. They weren't driving properly. I'm not gonna lie. They came on, swerved on my thing, looking like they were drunk driving, on my opinion. And they scratched my bike, and then they pulled me over, saying I kicked their bike, when I would never do that, because I was just about to go get my license.
Let's see. Whereabouts did this incident take place, Victoria Police? What road?
You might need to speak up, please, sir.
The reason I didn't really pee on her, because I didn't put my sip down. So if you think about that, I really peed myself, if you think about that. So, yeah.
Are you in a habit of wetting
yourself, sir?
And yeah.
Oh, do you have a condition?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, does the defense
girl did
rest?
call me a bitch a couple times. The girl did call me a bitch a couple times.
I see. Does the defense rest?
Sit down.
Okay.
Victoria Police,
whereabouts did this incident take place?
Sorry, Your Honor, whereabouts did the incident take place?
Yes, was it on a street or a corner?
Near the
So,
police station.
the original pulling over area was around on Little Big Avenue, around postcode 430. The individual proceeded to drive towards the hardware store, immediately crashing. Upon crashing, we decided to incapacitate his vehicle due to lack of officers. The individual decided to run around the thing, and then the rest of the incidences were done at Melbourne 900. The urination of the officer was done outside the courthouse as we were bringing him in
I peed on
here.
myself, so I didn't really pee on her.
Was there any splashback on your uniform, Cody?
And the vehicle smells of urination, Your Honor.
Oh, I see.
Yeah,
I hope you've got a Karcher or some sort of gurney down at the office.
be able to clean that out. Alright, I'm going to make my ruling here. So, on the charge of attempted murder of police, I'm going to be charging you guilty. In the charge of engaging police pursuit, you are going to be guilty. The threats to kill, also guilty, and this is mostly because of
What's
the...
that smell?
Oh, is he pissed in my courtroom?
Hey.
Oh, no. What was that? You have to speak up.
Your Honor, I believe he's thinking about me.
Oh, I see.
That's what he was doing in the car too.
In regards to threats to kill, as I said, in regards to all of these charges, I'm basing this on 2 decorated Victoria police officers and one of our finest Ambulance Victoria drivers. In regards to threats to kill, like I said, a fantastic lawyer sitting back. Threats to kill is going to be guilty. Assault of police is also guilty.
Hey, all I'm gonna say, fuck this court. Hey, you should go lose some weight, you fucking big ass Georgia.
Right.
Hey,
And in regards to criminal damage, that's also going to be guilty.
Hey, judge. Hey, no, wait, take me to the judge.
300 weeks in Victoria's finest prison include a petty contempt of court. My ruling is final. Court is dismissed.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Get him out of here.
I'm playing the numbers game. My number's so high. Oh my god, I'm on 3,000. No!
No way. Oh shit, he really is.
I really think next time, don't defend anyone
like that. They're not worth your time.
Oh, it was fucking disgusting, man.
Yeah, I think he's pissed.
I was like, this is one of my first court cases back, and I was like, fuck that, I'm not dealing with him. He was being a fuckwit.
Very good. I wish you well in your future endeavors.
I hope to prosecute. I hope to defend people again.
Yeah.
In front of you.
Well. Have a good day.
Bye bye, my friend.
Oh, he is selling the Indian thing. That is awesome. Weirdest court case ever.